Kelsey with Bēbee, and here's your quick start guide for your Bēbee V3. Take your two back wheels and install them on the back wheel slot until you hear a click. Next, take your two front wheels and do the exact same thing. You're going to rotate your stroller up so that it's standing, and find your bumper bar and install it into the bumper bar peg. To open your stroller, you press the white button in, squeeze the black button, and pop it open. And the last step is to install your doesn't suck cup holder onto the side. And you're ready to roll.